Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children, welcome to our online class. I hope you all are happy, no? Even I am also happy by seeing you through these online classes. Shall we go into the topic? Class 5, Subject Science, Lesson 1, Plants, Increasing the Number. Children, do you know we all are depends on nature. When we use the word nature, just imagine, just close your eyes and imagine. Nature means you will have appearance in your mind of full of greenish, isn't it? So green means definitely it is represent plants and trees, isn't it? So nature means plants and trees, and it plays a major role in all the living things on the earth, isn't it, ma? We have to agree this, because plants only giving us food and it supports the life. Without the plant, do we able to breathe? Definitely not, because it giving air for us to breathe. It give a food, no? What are the food items? Not only we can make a list. What are the fruits, vegetables, pulses, cereals, nuts. So many we can say the food product produced by the plants. That is why it supports the human beings, living things, other organisms to live on the earth. That is why we have to increase the number of plants on the earth. Okay, in another way, how it helping us know it, if we increase the plants in our surrounding, and if we increase the plants in the forest, it will help us know how it help us know. It makes the surrounding cool and fresh. It makes the surrounding cool and fresh. Okay, at the same time, it supports the life. Without the plants, without the air, definitely life on the earth is very, very impossible. That is why everyone are insisting about to increase the number of plants on the earth. How do we can increase the plants? There are ways. In that one way, through the seed. New plant grow from seed. This is the one way we are going to increase the number of trees, number of plants on the earth. Okay, before that we should know, from the plant, do only one seed is coming out? Definitely not. So many, isn't it? But do you think all the seeds are growing into a new plant? Definitely not. How no? Some obstacles are making a seeds to not grow. They are by the wind, by the water, by the soil. Such a kind of seeds will not grow into a new plant. Apart from all these things, the seed which are survive, it also needs some favorable conditions. Okay, seed need a favorable condition. What are the conditions a seed need? 1. Air, water, sunlight. Along with this, it need a soil. If these are air, water, sunlight, soil is in proper condition, definitely a seed will grow into a new plant. Got it, children? Let me explain you one more time. How does the seed grow into a new plant? Mean the seed which gets a favorable condition, it will grow into a new plant. What are the 4 conditions? Air, water, sunlight, soil. Definitely a seed will grow into a new plants. Next, we are going to see the seed and its part. Let me explain you one activity. Through that, we will learn about what are the parts of a seed. Take one dry seed, dip in water and make it soak throughout the day and night. If you see the next day, you can see a part in a seed swelled. You can easily peel it off. It is easy to remove also. So that removal part of a skin in the seed is called seed coat. Okay, the layer which able to peel after soaked in the water, that swollen part of a seed is called seed coat. See, inside that seed, there is a part embryo. It is called as baby plant. Okay, inside the seed there are 2 parts present: tiny root tiny root, tiny shoot. These are present inside the seed. These are the parts of the seed. Okay, this is how a seed is present, seed and seed part. Next, we want to know how seed get germinated. Okay, germinated means developing, how the seed is developing into. Even this, let me explain you some experiment part. Just listen. Take a 4 plate. Fill all the 4 plates with the dry seeds. Okay, plate 1. Plate 1. Plate 2, plate 3, plate 4. So at all the plates fill the dry seeds. Okay, in the plate 1 also we have a seed, no, that you keep near the window, so it will get sunlight, air. Okay, plate 1 will keep near the window sill, it will get sunlight, air. Let me explain you second one. Plate 2, it is also having a dry seed with it, no. So that you keep the plate in the water, in water beaker which contain, okay. So it will get, what are the things it will get? Sunlight, air, water. Even the water which is available in the water, it is not enough to that. So that is why what is happening going to see finally. Now in the plate 3, I told you before itself, there are 4 plates, all the plates filled with the dry seeds. All should keep in one area. One near the window, second one in the beaker, and the third plate, how to know? Make it wet and keep that in the wet cotton. Cotton and keep that everything in the plate, and the whole plate will keep in the refrigerator. Okay, third plate, soaked cotton, soaked seed cotton keep in there and keep the whole plate into the refrigerator. So it will get, what are things it will get? It will get a moisture, isn't it? So fourth plate, the same of with the cotton, wet cotton, the seed will keep inside it, make it to wet, together wet, and keep that fourth plate near the window sill. So it will get, what are the things it will get? Already it contain a water, and though it is near the window, it will have a air, it will have a sunlight, then it will have a water, isn't it? Air, water, sunlight. See, if you see this, the fourth plate, no, you can see some sprouted has been come out from the seed. It shows it need a favorable condition of air, water, sunlight. So it will prove you the development of seed into seedling. Okay, I hope you understand. Now seed, okay. With the seed, how do we can find the another thing? No. There are 2 parts of a seed. I told you the seed part, no. In that, based on it will be classified into 2 types. That is dicot seed and monocot seed. Dicot seed means if the seed contain 2 leaves inside. Okay, di means 2. The leaves, 2 leaves present inside the seed, that is called dicot seed. Monocot means, mono means 1, which means the seed contain only 1 leaf. So based on the leaf which present inside the seed, it is divided into 2 parts of a seed. Dicot seed, monocot seed. Dicot means it have a 2 leaves inside. Monocot means it contains only 1 leaf. So with this we can differentiate the what is dicot seed to what is monocot seed. I hope you all are able to understand very clearly, children. So next we are going to see about the next topic of germination is also over, isn't it? So next now we will continue to see the next topic, process of germination. Keep remember, to grow a seed into a new plant, it need a favorable condition. I told you already, air, water, sunlight. Do you know why it is it need a seed need no air? How we are breathing with the air. Likewise, even a seed also need air to breathe, then only it can able to survive. Then water is sufficient to it because it is so hard. To make it soft, we need a water. When it becomes soft only, it can able to break, and the tiny root, tiny shoot, no, it will come out of the seed. That's why the seed need a water. Next, sunlight. Okay, why it is need? No, it make the seed warm. When the seed became warm, no, what will happen? The seed in the cell in the seed, it will become active. When it become active, it will have its own food. It can able to break its seed, and then slowly it can come out of the seed. This tiny root, tiny shoot, I told you, no, that will come out of the seed when it's helpful to that. Okay, what will happen? No, after then there are tiny roots. This is tiny shoot. When this condition is proper to the seed, this shoot, no, it will gradually grows towards the sunlight. When this is okay, then it will come out of the soil and grow towards the sunlight. This root part will grow downwards to the crown. This is how the seeds are growing and processing. Okay, again I repeat you, process of germination. It need a favor condition: air, water, soil. Air helpful to breathing, water make it to soft, sunlight make the cells to active. When all this is fine, definitely the seed will grow properly. The shoot system will grow. Shoot system means it will have a branches of stem, leaves, flowers, roots. Shoot system means it will have only root. So the root part will grow towards the ground and the shoot part will grow towards the sunlight. So by this way the process of germination taking place and a new plant is growing from the seed. Next we will see you the next class, children. Thank you.